Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today, ready for you, I've got a follow along of dance flow following the music of Soaring Baby. It's gonna be nice, flowy, dancey, so all you need is to find a space in your home and we're gonna be dancing around. Remember that if you want more of these kind of exercises, full classes, dancing choreography, all ballet based, you can always come and have a look at the Lazy Dancer Studio and download the Lazy Dancer Tips app for all this beautiful dancing that you can do at home, in the office, anywhere you are in the world. If you're ready for this, find a space and let's dance. Start parallel, go. Warm up those ankles. And down. 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 Slightly quicker, keep your knees bent. One with port de bras. And again. Port de bras. Heels down. Forward, forward, down. Keep your knees bent and down. Feel the flow. Down. This is your chance to feel every single bone of the foot, the floor, and muscles working. Very good. Take your foot, keep it parallel to the side. Feel the spiraling. Very good. Other way. Opposition. Again. Turn out. Go. Down. And down, keep on breathing. With port de bras faster, keep your knees bent. Again, keep your core engaged. Heels down. Turn you forward, keep it in front of you. Here, and down. Here, and down again. Keep your chin out of the water. Take the leg into demi-rond. Side. Other way. Again. Start stabilizing the supporting leg already. And feel the opposition. Last time, feel the bum constantly engaged, heel of the supporting leg on the floor. Stretch, go demi-plie. Rise, all up and down again, down, demi, all up, big arms again. Rise, push those heels. Squeeze everything up. Hold it. Parallel. Heels down, bend. Roll down. Roll up. All the way up. And heels down. Bend. Roll down. Come back up. Turn out. Come down. Breathe. plies. Feel the breathing. More. We go all the way down, 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 push down to come up again. Push down, heels down, again. One, down, one. Very good. One down, 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 push. Very good. Open into second. Keep working on the core. Repeating second. Down and up. Heels never come up. Bum is not going down. Very good. Breathe. All the way down. Heels stay down. Your bum goes down. Chin up. Very good. Again. Again, small. Keep on breathing. Only one down. Lift up. Turn in to the side. Recover the way. You twist to the side. You bend your knees. Check. You go forwards. Up. Forwards. Up. Side. Other way. Other way. Very good. Twist. Hips stay in front. Down, up, down, up. Return under or you go down. Recover. Take it side. Take it back in the center. Again. Go down. And up. Other side. To the center. Side again. Side. Back in and side. Back in and bigger. Turn in. Turn out, turn in. In. This time, come back in. Well done. Very well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that, and I really hope you enjoyed moving around with Soren's music. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, and remember to go and check out Lace Dancer Studio for exclusive workouts and workout plans. Also, go and have a look at Soren Baby's music for dance and his jazz music on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll see you next Wednesday here on YouTube. Ciao, guys!